Welcome. My name is Eric Robinson. My company is Larza Arts, and all around artainment's my slogan. That means I can do anything that has to do with art and anything with entertainment. I've been doing a lot of things with airbrush guns for my illustrations, and today I thought I'd talk about a very important part that becomes frustrating if you've been experimenting with airbrush guns. If you have a clogged airbrush gun and you notice that it's splattering, or if it's not coming out on you, for example, you push in and you can tell it's still going, like that. See it? Or it splatters like it was doing right there. One of the important things, the first thing you could do is actually take the needle and pull it out and clean it off. Just go ahead and wipe it off by pulling it away, pushing it in the towel and pulling it off. Make sure there's no paint stuck on there. Then try that. That's the first step. So see if that solved the problem. See, that still didn't solve the problem. It's still going. So then the second step you would do is actually go ahead and take the paint out because maybe the paint's too thick. Put a cleaner in there. They sell a lot of different kind of cleaners. If you're just doing a water base, you can almost even just do water too if you feel like you just want to do water. But I have a special cleaner here that actually comes with the paints that I bought. Go ahead and spray it out by pushing down and pulling out as best you can. The quickest way is actually just go ahead and take your needle back. And if you notice here, you just pull it out again. Put it into your cleaning bucket and pull back. And be careful when you push back not to push too hard to break your tip. Now you can feel that it's going a lot better. It's a lot easier now to pull back. It's not sticking on you. So then we can add the paint in there again, and we see if it works better. And if this does not work for you, the last resort is to actually just go ahead and take it all apart and let it soak and clean it all up. You can even take, and when you're taking it all apart, you take one of these pipe cleaners and you take this apart and you actually push it all the way through and clog it like that with some of the cleaner. Okay? I hope that helps you guys understand a little bit better how to clean an airbrush gun. Thank you for joining me.